Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am checking into the Orchard Rendezvous Hotel here in Singapore, a 4-star property in one of the best locations in the city. I booked this stay directly through Far East Hospitality, which not only gave me the best price, but also came with their member rate guarantee. Signing up is free, and honestly, it's worth it. One of the main reasons I chose this hotel was value. Being right on Orchard Road while still staying affordable is getting rare in Singapore, and this hotel hits that sweet spot. Getting here from Changi Airport is incredibly easy. Just head down to the basement level and hop on one of the many buses that go to Orchard. The bus stop is directly opposite the hotel and the fare is only $2. Super simple. As you know, I love luxury, but I also prioritize value for money, and the Orchard Rendezvous fits into that category perfectly. You can tell from the aesthetic that this hotel was once a real standout classic, and even today it still holds on to that old school luxury vibe. Walking through the lobby, the first thing you'll notice is marble absolutely everywhere. I originally booked a superior room, but at check-in I was upgraded to a suite, which was a great surprise. The suite comes with a spacious living room, kitchen facilities, and even a complimentary minibar. The TV is fully smart, enabled too, so after a long day exploring Singapore, I could relax and binge some YouTube. Moving on to the bedroom, it was spacious, the bed was comfortable, but I'll be honest, the window view was, well, completely blacked out, so don't expect city views in this room type. Other than that, the amenities were solid, with more than enough storage for luggage. Everything in the room worked exactly as it should. The style though, is definitely traditional, classic luxury rather than modern minimalism, which some people will love and others won't. One thing I didn't love were the toiletries. They had that older, artificial smell, but aside from that, I really cannot complain. Now, for my favorite part of the hotel, the pool. It is really a great size, spotless every time I visited, and with Singapore's humidity, it was the perfect place to cool off after a day out. There is also a rooftop bar, but prepare yourselves. The price of beer is wild. a 330ml Tiger Draft is 15 Singapore dollars, roughly 10 British pounds or about 12 US dollars. That's the kind of price I'd expect at a 5-star luxury hotel, not a 4-star property. Singapore in general is expensive, but there are absolutely ways to keep costs down. For example, I ate all of my meals at hawker centres, not only because it's cheap, but because this is where Singapore's best food is. If you're visiting, you have to do the same. The gym is small, but honestly, it's got everything you need for a proper session. Free weights up to 20 kg, a few machines, cardio gear. It's not a bodybuilder's paradise, but it'll absolutely get you through your workout. And in Singapore's humidity, that alone feels like a sense of achievement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you in some way. If you enjoyed it, a like and a subscription would mean a lot to me and helps the channel grow way more than you can imagine. And of course, no trip to Singapore is complete without visiting the iconic Marina Bay Sands. So here's a treat for you if you're still watching. I'll see you next time.